If you are in Mississauga, make sure to subscribe to Active Mississauga. This is where all the activities, you can see the entire list by category and by the age group. All of these you'll be able to subscribe. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, and many of them, the day it opens, gets booked. I'll show you what all are available and how much it cost. Just remember Active Mississauga, and you will get notified whenever there is a new program which gets added. You'll have to first create an account. You go ahead creating that with your email ID, date of birth, the address in Mississauga, and you can also add family members and fill in the details. Once you're done with this, you'll be able to sign in. So I already have an account. Let me sign in and show this to you. Enter the email address, password, and select I'm not Robert, and then sign in. All your payment and transaction will be seen here, and then you can manage family member, you can view family member schedule all in one place, just one account, and entire family member can be connected. If you want separate account, you can do that also. Then in case you have any account balance, that will show up here. Once you are on home page, you see here any wish list you will save, you'll be able to see here. You will see how to create a wish list. These are the activities which I showed earlier, and for you to go and check, click here on activities. Now you get these option to filter. You see there are about 13,000 plus matches here, and it's a non-exhaustive list. You will keep scrolling. So the easier way is to come here, look for open spot. You can enter how many open spots you require. I've selected one. Then come to who, and here you can define the age range. That way again it will get filtered. So I'm defining up to 5 years and then apply. Then you come to when. Here if you have a defined date range within which you are looking for, you can enter that, and you can see here session, whether it is winter, March break, spring, activity templates, then any day of the week in particular you're looking for. Say you are only free on Saturdays, you can select that, or Saturday and Sunday, for example, and then anything which is in progress now, or future. So you can add the filter accordingly. I've kept it in progress and future. This way both will be shown, and then apply to further filter where. And this is where you will select by clicking here the location which is closest to your place. So I stay close to Celebration Square, Burnhamthorpe Library. This is also closer. This library is very close. Living Art Center is quite close. If you stay in and around Square 1 area, by now you would know that I'm making those selections. So accordingly, wherever you stay, you make that selection to narrow it down so that your commute time is negligible. And then once you're done with, just come down and apply. All the filter you can see here, and now with all the filter, about 145 matches have been found, because I had set the age range as up to 5 here. You see 0 to 5. So once this is done, you have list of activities happening, and let me come down. Anywhere you see enroll now, that's where it is still open. You can see the name of the activity, what the age range is. If it is not mentioned here, it will show up as all ages like how it is shown here. And then you can go and view the fee detail, location, and the date range with the timing. So all those details are shown. Once you click on view fee detail, resident and non-resident, how much it is, that is shown. Let's close this. You can click here to add to the wish list. Once you click here, this will get added to the wish list, which you can go and view. At start, I had shown where it is. They also have this social hour. You can see here 55 years plus, and here enroll does not show up because this would not have advanced enrollment. View registration info. You see this is Mississauga Valley Library, and once you click here, online registration is not available for this activity. Admittance on day of activity is first come first serve basis. So 25 opening, remaining. Then once you come down here, details are given. So you just walk in to the location on the set date, and you can join as long as the openings are still available. Here you see this program, it's available for 14 plus years. So once you click on enroll now, before that you can check the fee detail, click here. And then when you come here and select the participant from the drop down, you will see the fee summary, which you can go and add to the cart or add another participant. Once you click, you come to this page where you see the order summary, and then click here, I have read, and then check out. Select your payment method, enter the detail, and then go ahead and do the payment.